Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
What's up guys? Hey, meet with me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the previous video, I already showed you how to make login, create loading, and also create digital font using Visual Basic. This is I review what that I explained to you in the previous video, that we have login form, and in this case have a loading form, and then you will bring to form user like this. Okay, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make or create privilege for each user that have different occupation. For example, user have occupation as administrator, commonly user, or just quest, for example. Okay, for create privilege I need one form called uh, form menu. So I will design first before creating database. In the form menu will showing the list of menu that can open other forms. For example, form user I will open via form menu here, and I create one menu, add one form menu. Okay, because we have already have form user, then the illustration after we login, we don't direct to form user but bring to form menu in here. If you still confused, you can download this project in www.news.co.id. So this illustration after we login here, we will bring to form loading here, and then go to form menu. In the form menu we will have a menu in here. I will choose menu strip. This is, and I want to show the menu to open form user here. I want to open form user via form menu here. This is just for example. This is menu guys, menu, and this is form menu, and this is exit for example. Okay, before we coding we just design first, and then we need to design a database guys, or I need before that I need one combo box, here. The combo box, this is just for example. In the reality case, you must change the combo box with label, or that something can change the text or the field. Okay, then I want to create a database guys, so you can see here. I will close first. You can see if our database connection is related to, I'm sorry guys, this is our database connection related to db underscore login, and I must go to db underscore login database, and in here I need to create adding one table again, guys. So I will create the name is db privilege, guys, like this, and number of column I want to set 7, and click go. For the first row I will create id. In the second I will create occupation, that different occupation with different privilege, of course. Form code, guys, and this is f open, and this is why I using uppercase. This is special for form, so will easy to identifying. This is for button, guys, button save, and then bt update for button update later, bt update, and in this case for bt delete. Okay, I will using data type varchar to all of rows or fields. For id I just want to 5, and occupation 20, form code is 5, for example. F often is just 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, and then I want to set primary key for id, guys. I click go, and then I save the table privilege. So in the db login I have two tables. That db login is our project ago, and db privilege is just now we created. In the structure is like this. Okay, and then we need to insert some data in this db privilege. I will input manually, but you can input via command in Visual Basic. You can see the previous video. I have also already show you. Okay, in this id, for example, is 1, guys, and occupation, let me try with admin. And if admin, the form code is for user, form for user, guys. This is good for form user. This is will give the privilege, and form code form for user is form user. Okay, because I just create varchar 5 in here, then I will create form user like this, f user, guys, and then no, fr user. Okay, usr, fr usr from user, guys, and in the f open, this is for button open. The value is between no or yes. for admin, I will give all privilege, so I will input yes in here. And the second user, this is with ID2, I will create user for occupation, and form code is same with this fr user or form user, and fopen for user. I want to yes in fopen form, and then for button save I will yes, bt update no, and the bt delete is no. Okay, and then I click go. So if I browse in here, I have two privileges for admin and user, but I want to add again once row again, and I want to insert. Okay, insert for the last. I will, for example, number 3, I will create guess, I mean form code is fr user, guys. Fopen is yes, but for guess I will uh, disable 3 button save, update and delete. I will click go. If I browse, you can see, guys, I have 3 privileges in this case. Admin with fopen, this is for opening form. The all of privilege is yes. For user occupation, I will just give privilege for opening the form and button save. And the for guys or for guests, I will just show open, but nothing for save, update or bt delete or button delete. Okay, now we will bring back to our project here. This is from user, guys, that we will open because we have created button save, button update and button delete, so we need to adding 3 button here. This is for button save, this is for button update, this is for button delete. Okay, for button 1 I will create save, update and delete. Okay, and I will change the name is, for example, button save. For update is btn update. You can see, guys, btn update in here, btn update, and the last for delete is uh, btn delete. Okay, so already enough for giving example of privilege to you using database. And then we need to change in the form loading, guys, because we need to open after login is after loading is form menu rather than form user. I will show you first here, so you see different. You can download this project for practice with us or practice with this video. this is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after loading, we don't direct bring to form user, but user must open via form menu. Okay, we don't direct to here, but we will bring to uh, form user or form menu first. I mean, so we need to change the even after loading here. Okay, after this is form user, we will change to open menu form. So I comment this and open form menu, form menu dot show. Sorry guys, show. Okay, so this is the illustration. Let we open form menu show, then in the form menu we adding the menu and click Sony 1 2 3 4 5 here, and we will bring to form menu. You can see we will click the, I'm sorry guys, I mean this is not form menu but form user. I will change. You can see just now we have to form menu, but we must uh, we must change this. I mean it's not form menu but form user, because we need to open form user. Okay, in the form user I will code first. This is for easy to use, I use combo box, but in the reality you must better with label or anything that can edit by user. Okay, this is just for example, because for easing to, I want to change the different occupation. Okay, this is for example the name is uh, combo occupation. Okay, and then I want to adding items in item collection. I want to create admin, user, and guys, and of course this is based on our database in here. Okay, admin, user, and guys. On I mean guest guys. Sorry. Admin, user, and guest. Okay, I click OK. So we have data here, and then I want also to code the form user dot show in this tool menu strip. Okay, form users dot show, and then in the form menu I will also code the exit and like this for closing others form. In the form user, in the previous our tutorial we have make the dispose is to end, so I want to comment this because we don't need to export or dispose or ending all program after closing the form user. So I comment this end in the form user. Okay, this is the logic guys. I will start again before we go in advance. This is Sony. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the logic. After user is uh, login, then we identifying by what type of user. If the occupation of user is admin, then it can or he can open the form user and using all of button, save, update, or delete. If the user that login occupation is user, then it can open form user, but with just one privilege in the that occupation or that user can save only. And if guys you can just only open form user, but cannot anything can do anything in form user. Okay, it just can view but cannot do anything. That's the logic, guys. So if in the reality case you must change this combo box with item that cannot be edited by the user, and so you must you need to reading the occupation of user that login. Okay, then if I open this is will bring like this is uh, nothing with privilege, so this is all is function, but I want to exit and code for the privilege. Okay, okay, we back to form menu design, guys. Form menu design. Okay, because we need to create privilege for form user in here, so I double click in form user and then delete this code and change with the code have with privilege. Okay, first, because we want to connect a database, MySQL, like usually I import MySQL data client, and then I will create a region for cleanly project, declare, and dim my command as new MySQL command, dim my connection as you DT connection. Okay, this DT connection is related to our class in here. Okay, DT connection and theme for UBG data adapter. I mean it's UBG data reader, guys. Object data reader as MySQL data reader. Okay, MySQL data reader in here. And for this is theme for card form, kd form as string. Okay, then I want to code in form menu tool strip menu. In this case is we will set a privilege for each uh, occupation. Okay, so first I want to connect to database and open the database connection. Cadre form here is reference to our cadre form in the database. So the the field is must save or same with form code in the database field in the what is this guys, in the field form code. Okay, this is the cadre form. Because the value is string, we need to double quotes and then paste the fr user. This is same with must same with the form code here, because we need to connect a database. And this is for our SQL command, guys. We want to select bt save, bt update, bt delete, guys, from tb underscore privilege, where form code is related to cadre form, guys, kd form. And occupation guys, is related to combo box occupation, cmb occupation dot text. But like I say before, you must change this in the reality with label or item that can be edited by the user. Where form code is cadre form and occupation. Okay, occupation is related to combo occupation dot text. And the last is an f open. This is form open, guys. So you can set no later if you don't want user can open the form. Okay, and f open is because we have just to value yes or not. In this case, I will give the string yes here. So this is our database uh, database command. Select button save or bt save, bt update, and bt delete from tb privilege, where from code same with cadre form, kd form, and occupation same with cmb occupation, and f open the value is yes. If the value not yes, show that the user can open the form and then doesn't have privilege. Okay, object data reader. Sorry guys, execute reader here. Okay, if this is object data reader that has rows equal to 0, then if we select this SQL statement and then nothing result or nothing data found by this query, or the value is 0, then we show the message box. This is for example, you don't have permission to access this form. Okay, and then I want to create a new line, guys, and adding VB CRLF, and contact admin. Okay, in the music box style, I want to create exclamation, guys, and the for title of the music box is notice, for example. Okay, if nothing data found by this SQL statement, then we open the message box for user. You don't have permission to access this form. Contact admin. And if you can see, guys, we open the connection of database. So the most important, we must to close the database, because if this criteria is true, then script will execute just for this point or breakpoint. Okay, so we need to close the database, and after that we create else statement here. If data found, so we also to close the database, because we need to create different reading data. My comment that connection. Okay, and after close we opening again, execute reader, and this is as iteration, or not iteration, I mean is, yes, you can call iteration or looping. Okay, while object reader, or the object data reader dot read, if trim, because I'm using trim for this is for count the spacing, so I using trim obj reader, or obj data reader 0 equal to y, guys, equal to yes. Then this is object data reader 0 is reference to btsave SQL statement. Okay, 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. And if object data reader 0 in this case is button save is yes, so I want to create form user dot button save dot enable equal to true. Okay, else if not yes, I want to copy this for fast, If nothing, yes, I set the button save is to false. Okay. Also, I want to create for button update and button delete. But for the first, I can copy this script and change the 0 to 1 is related to BT update, and then change the button save to button update. Okay, update, button update, like this, guys. For button delete, I copy paste again and then change the index to 2, change the button save to button delete. Okay, button delete. Okay, button delete. Okay, guys, if the value is yes, then we set button save properties to true. But if the value is no, we set the properties of button save to false. That's the logic. And after iteration or looping, we need to open the form user dot show. You can see the logic, guys. After you create conditional statement like this, then we open the form. So the conditional first and the action is later. Okay, and after all this script, we need to closing the database connection. Okay, you see, guys, and we try to running this script. Very easy, and you must need just bit logic for creating this project. This is Shoni 1 2 3 4 5. You can see, guys, I'm running this project. Okay, you can see if I click the menu and open the form user. Let me try this script error or not. You can see you don't have permission to access this form. Contact admin, because the SQL statement is reading the occupation, but we don't fill the occupation, so this occupation is empty. Or you can type, for example, anonymous like this. Form user, you don't have permission to access this form. Contact admin. Okay, if the admin, you can see I open the user form. Hello Sony, and the button is all is enabled here. You can save, you can update, you can delete. That's the logic. Okay, I close. If I change the user or the occupation is to user, let me see. I open the form user. Hello Sony, this is open, but you can see just button save that enable here. Button update and button delete is disabled, and occupation with user cannot update and delete, just an administrator. That's the logic. Okay, and if guest cannot do anything, then or just can view but cannot do anything. The guest cannot save, cannot update, and cannot delete because we already disabled. That's the logic, guys. You can see the script here. Okay, if trim obj data reader is 0 is yes, because this is related to bt safe is yes. Or let me try we inputting one record in database again that give anonymous, guys. This is just for example, anonymous user, for example, anonymous occupation, anonymous, and form code is fr user, frusr. Anonymous cannot open, cannot save, cannot update, and cannot delete. Okay, I go and browse again. You can see admin, user, guys, and anonymous. And we adding the form menu items collection, or we can change just the text, guys. Or for easy, we back to collection items. This is, guys, this is for anonymous. Let me try. Start again, and we select anonymous occupation in here. Just for example, you can see admin is giving all privilege, user just do, username is Sony 12345. Let me try with anonymous occupation here. If the admin, we try again, can open and can do anything. If user can open but just can save. If guys, or if guest just can open but can not do anything. And the last, if anonymous, you can see you don't have permission to access this form, contact admin. Okay, I think enough for this tutorial how we can create a privilege for its different user, its different occupation, and its different role. Sometimes, or some, you must remember, guys, the logic is you must change the editable item here, because I just giving example, so I using combo box. In the reality, or in the case reality, you must change this with item cannot be edited by the user. For example, you can use label, you can use paint, but I advise you to use a label, guys. And after user login, you must reading the user occupation, and then you giving the value in the label. For example, the value occupation, the user is admin, for example. You can put label and show the occupation of user and create the conditional statement like I show you before. Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can type the comment in this video, and you can download all of the project in News ENC channel in the www.news.co.id/web-vb for project. Okay, this is the URL, guys. You can download here. And okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.